Okay, guys, welcome to Passive Growth TV, the channel where we bring you information about the latest, best projects in the blockchain world and other related online opportunities. This time, we are bringing information to you about a project known as Unicoins by the Unicorn Hunters. These people are offering you and all the opportunity to own their coins for free. My name is Godwin Obi, aka Dr. Super. Please, if you enjoy the information we are presenting to you on this channel, please like our video, and then you will also like to take a position so as to be among the first to be notified when we do further updates on this channel and bring you other information in the latest beneficial businesses online, especially in the blockchain space. After subscribing, hit the notification icon bell icon, so that you will always be notified when we have new updates. Also, it will be good you share the video to your friends so that they too can join you in grabbing this free gift of 100 unicoins from the unicorn hunters. Yes, I just said it. A gift of 100 unicoins. 100 unicoins minted for you. All right. So this company wants you to boost your crypto portfolio with 100 free unicoins. But note that it is a limited time offer, so you need to be quick about it and also share with friends. All right, so how do you go about it? In the description of this video, you will see a link. The link will be communicating to you directly saying get 100 unicoins. Click on it and it opens you to this page, okay? Opens you to this page. Just scroll up a little and then you come. This is the form you're going to fill to get your gift. So looking here, you will see that there is already, because you followed my link, you already have a code embedded here on the form for you, which is already applied as a promo code, entitling you for a gift of these 100 unicoins. You are entitled to claim 100 unicoins, okay? Please complete the form below to get your certificate. All right, that's it. So you're not getting the 100 coins right away, but you're getting a certificate that qualifies you to lay claim for your gift at the right time. Very soon, when they send out the link to all those who reached out for these gifts, at that time you'll be required to present your certificate for claim after you might have done your KYC, know your customers. All right, so please put in your first name, put in your last name. Please put in real legal names as they appear on the ID you intend to use for your KYC. All right, then select gender, okay, then your date of birth input correctly. All right, then email, please take time and put these details correctly, your names, your email, very important. You put correct regular email with which you receive message, okay? Then put your phone number. Your country is already populated. Check this box. I agree with data privacy policy. Check that box, check it, then click next. Of course, in my case, this is just a demonstration. It will not go because I have not filled any information here. So when you click next after filling in the information, the next page is a pop-up message after some seconds that congratulates you for reaching out for this coin and telling you to click the link below to download your certificate. Okay, so that's what you see. And once you have done that, keep certificate safe, even the link, save it. Some of us have made a mistake, or should I say a mistake. Some of us have not been able to download the link right on that pop-up page, either due to one distraction or the other, or the device is hanging or whatever. Don't worry. If you're not able to download right away on this page, on the next page, what do? Go to your email. This is the reason you should put an email here that is a regular email with which that is working, with which you receive mail. Go there and then look in your regular inbox. Look also in your spam folder to see a message from the Unicorn hunters carrying that same link. So click on the link, download your certificate, and keep safe. Yes, I have to repeat this. When you get to your email, if it's not in your regular inbox, go to your spam folder. Some of us do not know how to get a new email that arrive. All you need to do is, if even you can't see quickly, use your search bar, type Unicoin, search, and then any message from Unicoin that you just received will pop up. Open it, click on the link to download your certificate. This is a very great gift, very great gift. The 100 Unicoin you are receiving is gonna worth thousands of dollars by 2023, because the target price for this coin is $40 to $100 per coin. So you can imagine, at $40, you already have $4,000 from this 100 Unicoin gift. This is a very great project. You can read more about it. You can see the people who are behind it. The 43rd Treasurer of the United States backs Unicoin. You see, then you can check other videos. Family office experience in Dubai. They were there at that summit, World Blockchain Summit in Dubai. They were there. The 18th Global Retosa Family Office Summit in Riyadh. They were there. You know, the Future Innovation Summit in Dubai. They were there. And then the Future Innovation Summit in Dubai remarks. You see comments being made by other investors like you. Yes, I say like you, even though this video is simply presenting to you the opportunity to grab the free gift. But I know that if it's worth your while, you may want to also invest your money. Well, I'm going to talk about that more in the next video. Let's just stop here. This is all about you're grabbing your free gift, but I'm just scrolling to show you that you are looking at a very great project that will make a very great difference, a game changer in the life of many. This coin is designed not to be the type that succumbs to the negative impacts of volatility. It is designed to be a stable coin. In fact, the essence of this project is to check volatility in the blockchain world, in the cryptocurrency space. Like what happens to Bitcoin, Ethereum, FTT, and others is what this coin is coming to check, so that you can make investment and see it grows steadily and they give you a really stable income. Okay, so once again, please like our video, subscribe to get new updates, hit the notification bell so you really get the notice, and then share this video with your friends so that they too can have this gift that really worth much in terms of real money. Once again, thank you. See you in the next video.